fields, dry fields, or hard soil. The HG-80VN/turbo crawler tractor operates smoothly on every harsh terrain. Don't worry about deep mud. Don't fear the bogging. The tracks grip firm. Wherever it goes, it conquers the ground, moving to dry fields and hard soil. The engine pulls strong, tilling deep with zero power loss. When it works, the results are immediate. It's not just about moving, it's about deep penetration, fine soil texture, and burying the stubble neatly. The most important thing is continuous operation without a break. Running from dawn till dusk, the machine maintains its power. No midday cooling needed. Farmers work less. The job finishes faster. And every harvest season, there's no more worry about downtime. HOGICO Crawler Tractor HG-80VN/turbo. Powerful, durable, and getting the job done on every field.